We just got here where we will be filming the live education with Wahl Pro and Pivot Point. Pivot Point and Wahl Pro have come together. Right now we're about to start in 30 minutes. We will see you later. I'm ready and the guys are ready.
So it's been a really long journey, right? I feel like we were just here together. COVID disrupted our year, but we stuck together and here we are. And thank God, thank the universe, thank Wahl, thank Pivot Point that we have another opportunity to get together and to share what we do best. So we're able to share the message of hope and of creativity in a time where there's not a whole heck of a lot of hope. So thank you for being here and thank you for putting your best foot forward and thank you for always being the professionals that I know that you are.
So we're doing an amazing collaboration with Wahl Pro and Pivot Point today. We're just here to give it our all and spread education.
So we had the Wahl 5-star cordless senior in action. We had the Wahl 5-star cordless detailer LI. And we also used one of our favorite clippers, the Big Mag.
To make the afro and then the gumby straight, I definitely would use something with a flat blade like those clippers right there. Very powerful lithium ion and motor in those. When you provide great service with great tools, you get great results.
2 minutes, here we go. It's awesome hosting this event and being able to see how the guys use their Wahl Pro tools. The looks that they have done are phenomenal, they're amazing. And day 3, we have one more live to go. I gotta get ready to host this. See you guys later.
Caution, cold like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in a cage, I'ma let out the.
The other day, I was behind the scenes of watching Nieves Alvarez and Jay Ramos do the class in Spanish, in Español.
Entonces aquí voy marcando todo lo que de esta línea o este borde hacia abajo le vamos a pasar a la Wahl finale. Eso significa que vamos a eliminar todo el cabello que queda. Esto nos va a dejar como que fuera pura navaja.
Today was amazing. People loved it. People were commenting, asking questions. If you guys didn't catch the videos live, make sure you catch it on the Facebook page as well. These are videos that you definitely don't want to miss out on.